Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Reels templates. Want to create Reels faster using trending templates? In this video, I'll show you how to use Instagram Reels templates to easily make engaging videos. The first step is to find a Reels template, and to do that, open Instagram and then go to the Reels section by clicking on the Reel icon. As you can see, I'm using a tablet, so the layout is a bit different. As for the settings are displayed in the left side. If you're using the mobile version, they will be displayed in the bottom. I'm just gonna click on the Reels icon, and here we can see the Reels. Look for the used template on a video. Scroll through Reels and look for used templates by clicking on the three horizontal line and three dots and see if this option is available. The second step is to use the template, and to use that, tap on use template and the editor will open and Instagram will show preset clip duration based on the template, and after that tap add media and select your clips or photos. Third step is to edit your reel. Instagram will automatically align your clips to the music. Tap on any video's clip to trim or replace them, and adjust text and effects and transitions if needed. You can do that when you want to create a reel. And to create a reel, just swipe the left side and select reel and record the video, etc. As for the third step is to edit your reel. And once you edit the reel, the fourth step is to post your reel. And to do that, tap next and write a caption, add hashtags and choose a cover. And then when you finish, tap on share and your reel is live. And now you know how to use Instagram Reels template. This is the easiest way to create trendy and engaging reels in seconds. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.